Hello children, now we will start the new lesson of EVS. Now look at the book, means of transport. Now see, grains, vegetables, milk etc. come from villages. म्हणजे शेतातनं ज्या गोष्टी मिळतात त्या आपल्याला खेडेगावातनं मिळतात. Bicycles, toys, books etc. come from city. Farming implements, clothes, medicines, automobiles, soaps, glass, light, bulbs etc. are made in factories. Factories are mostly situated near the city. People living both in villages and cities use all these things. Thus, rural and urban people are dependent on each other for their needs. Means of transport and communication are necessary to fulfill the needs of द पीपल. ह्याचा अर्थ कळला का तुम्हाला? तर ज्यावेळेस हे ग्रेन्स, व्हेजिटेबल म्हणजे आपल्याला डे टू डे लाईफमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी लागत असतात. मग त्या काही विलेजेसमध्ये असतात तर काही वेगवेगळ्या सिटीजमध्ये वगैरे असतात. तर अशा वेळी एकमेकांशी कम्युनिकेट करायला आपल्याला दोन गोष्टींची गरज असते, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट अँड कम्युनिकेशन. Earlier there was a big difference between city and the village. Village is small, city is big. Now this difference is reducing. The facilities available in cities are now becoming available in villages as well. जरी आधी विलेजेसमध्ये सगळ्या सुखसुविधा कमी असल्या तरी आता सगळीकडे, आता इंटरनेटपासून सगळीकडे आलेलं आहे. मीन्स ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट. ॲज मॅन्स नीड्स इन्क्रीज्ड, he invented new means of transport. Earlier, goods were transported by animals like bullocks, elephants, camels, horses, and donkeys. Next, vehicles such as bullock carts and horse carts were used. Then, ships, automobiles, and trains were invented, followed by aeroplanes. Thus, transport became faster. Column 1 below shows various means of transport and column 2 shows what they travel on. Make the correct pairs. Now this is bullock cart and then this is sheep. That means this is water transport. Bullock cart, it is on the Kacha road, that is near villages. Trains, rail, then buses on roads, aeroplane in sky, truck on roads. Like this we have to arrange the means of transports. Nowadays transport facilities are available in most villages and cities. Study the map of your district and find which transport facilities and which famous places are found there. Complete the activity based on map given overleaf. Now look here. Here is the map of Kolhapur district. Here are their index. That is national highway, other roads, railway. Everything is given here. You have to study this map. Read the names of the cities or district and talukas, villages. Everything is written on this map. Then you have to give the answers by reading this map. Trace the Pune-Bangalore National Highway in our district. You have to find out the highway. Look at the famous places on the Kolhapur-Miras-Sangli railway. On this railway track, which famous things are there? Color their symbols. Find the places with forts in our district and color their symbols. You have to find out the places and color their symbols. Draw a box around the names of sanctuaries in our district. Now here we commonly use things like letters, computers, mobile phones, newspapers, TV, music players etc. All these are used as means to send and receive information and messages. All these are means of communication. This telephone, letter, messages, all these are means of communication. Dialects. Man uses language to talk to each other and to communicate his thoughts to other people. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Words from other languages enter our language. It is influenced by other languages. In this way, different dialects of the same language form in different regions. For example, Ahirani, Malwani and Waradi are some dialects of the Marathi language. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced. In those days, information was communicated by different means. Sometimes trained pigeons, these trained pigeons were used for this purpose. A message was sent by writing it down on a piece of paper or cloth and tying the piece to the bird's leg. Services like mobile phones, telephones and computers are not available in the area where Rohan and Rupali live. They need to send a message to their relatives in another town. How will you help them to send their messages? Now he can send or she can send the letter by post. Recently, there has been great development in the means of transport and communication. However, increased use of these means has also led to an increase in pollution. Therefore, everyone should use them carefully. Now, what we have learnt? The interrelationship between cities and villages, means of transport and communication, the need for means of transport and communication, transport facilities and famous places in our district and taluka.